Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at salads, and this is from Accademia Barilla. Delicious recipes for Italian favorites. So here on the front cover, we can see here a stock photo. If we continue on the binding portion, you can see this is from Taunton Press. On the back cover, 40 recipes for salads, a little bit more description, some more stock photos, and a little bit on Accademia Barilla. Barcode, pricing information at the time, and more contact information for Taunton Press. Go ahead and look on the inside. The inner cover pages kind of have a chef's hat illustration. And if we look at the last page, here's our print information. This is from 2013. If we continue at the beginning, you can see here our title page and a little bit of more description on Accademia Barilla. There's going to be a lot of stock photos throughout this book. Here are the contents and a little bit more information for the contributors. And then it gets into text and recipes with the accompanying photos. And again, the theme of this book being salads. Now, if we look at the back portion here, it does include an ingredients index. So if you prefer to work from ingredients, it gives you an index to the pages. And then the closing photo there, photo credits. And last numbered page, not including index, is 90. So, taking a very quick look at something from Accademia Barilla. Salads, delicious recipes for Italian favorites. And this is just one of a series of books. So these are out there. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.